everybody, Sarah Austin here with the lovely law firm, and we're so excited to be out here supporting the Palmetto Police Motorcycle Rodeo. It's amazing what these guys are doing out here, and we're happy to be here.
This event brings law enforcement officers for skilled events from all over the country, and Lovely Law Firm is proud to be a sponsor of that.
Hey, we're out here at the Palmetto Police Motorcycle Rodeo, just another event where the lovely law firm gives back to the community. We love to get out here and see everybody, and just an awesome event, so having a great time.